In this video, we are going to solve the simultaneous linear equations by using the substitution method. Here we have a pair of two simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so let's choose one of the equations. Let's choose the equation number 1, which is x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, let's find the value of x from it. Let's see how to do it. So we write it as x equals, because we have to find the value of x, so first of all we write x, and then equals 4 minus 2y, and then this is the value of x. Now this part, 4 minus 2y, we have to put this in equation number 2, not in equation number 1, because we found this whole value of x from the equation 1, so we aren't going to put this value 4 minus 2y in equation 1 back. We have to put it in another equation, which is the equation number 2. So let's put it in that equation. So we have this equation, 2 into 4 minus 2y, then we have plus 2y, and then is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. We write it 8, and then minus 2 times minus 2y is equal to minus 4y, and then plus 2y is equal to 6. And minus 4y plus 2y, it equals to minus 2y. So we write it like this: minus 2y is equal to 6, and this positive 8 shifts towards 6 and changes its sign to negative 8. So we write it like this. Okay, now minus 2y is equal to minus 2, because 6 times 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Now we divide both of the sides with 2. Okay, so then we'll get like cancelled. Okay, and we get minus y is equal to 1. So then cancelled, because both of the sides have negative signs, so that's why, and minus minus equals plus. Now we have the value of y. We simply need to put this value of y in any of the equations. Let's put this value of y in equation number 1. So the value of y is 1. X, we have to find x plus 2 into the value of x into the value of y, which is 1, and equals to 4. Now x is equal to 4. Let's write 4 first. What's the answer of this? 2 times 1 equals 2, positive 2. And when this positive 2 will shift towards 4, then its sign will change to negative 2. So we write negative 2 over here. Simple. X is equal to 2, therefore. Okay, now we have the value of x2 and the value of y. This is the value of x, and this is the value of y, which is 1. Now let's move on to another question, which is 4x minus 5y equals 17 and x minus 5y equals 8. You can also solve this by the elimination method. Of course you can, but as to show you how to solve the substitution method, we're going to solve it with that method. Okay, so what we have to do is use the same method. The digits are different. So now let's choose this equation to find the value of x or the value of y, because this has lesser smaller digits. So if we choose x first, the value of x, then it will come x equals 8 plus 5y, like not in fractions. So that's what we need. We don't need to have fractions right now, because we can have the equation without the fractions. So why not that way? Okay, why not the simpler way? X is equal to 8 plus 5y. So this is again a new equation, and we're going to put this equation in equation number 1. Hope you remember the concept which I previously told you in the previous question in this video. So let's put this value in equation number 1. 4 into 8 plus 5y is equal to 17. Now what we have to do is 4 times 8 equals 32, and then plus 4 times 5 equals 20y, minus 5y equals 17. Okay, now 20y minus 5y equals 15y. You write it like 15y. And then the 17 is same, standing alone. Okay, now the 32, the positive 32 will shift towards 17, and now the 17 is no more alone. So now 15y is equal to minus 15. Now what we have to do is we have to divide both of the sides by 15. Okay, and then cancel. Okay, and then y is equal to minus 1. Now we have to put this value in equation 1 or 2. It's your choice. Let's choose the equation number 2 this time. So we're going to go up and up and up. And now we're going to write x minus 5 into the value of y, which is minus 1, is equal to 8. Now x is equal to 8 minus 5 times minus 1 is equal to positive 5, because minus and minus is plus. So 5 times 1 and then equals 5. So 5 is left alone. So 5, positive 5 will shift towards 8. The sign will change to minus 5. So x equals, therefore, 3. The value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 1. In this video we did 2 pairs of simultaneous equations using the substitution method. If you have any queries or questions regarding the topic, I'll be happy to answer them in the comment section.